Welcome to our lesson on data collection and organization. In this session, we will explore how to effectively gather and structure data for analysis. As we learned in the previous lesson, data is crucial for informed decision-making. Collecting data allows us to identify trends and make predictions effectively. This quote by Clive Humby emphasizes the value of data in today's world. Understanding how to collect and organize it is essential for success. There are various methods for data collection, including surveys and observations. Each method serves a unique purpose and can yield valuable insights. Once data is collected, organizing it is crucial. Data cleaning and categorization are key steps in preparing for analysis. Visualizing data is an effective way to communicate findings. Graphs and charts can reveal patterns that raw data cannot. Various tools are available for data collection, such as online surveys and data management software. Choosing the right tools can enhance your data collection efforts. Implementing best practices is crucial for effective data collection. Defining objectives and ensuring privacy are key components of a successful process. As you collect data, you may face challenges such as bias and data overload. Identifying these challenges early can help mitigate their impact. Data collection has real-world applications across various sectors. In business, it drives insights, while in healthcare, it improves patient outcomes. Ethics play a vital role in data collection. Ensuring informed consent and data security are essential for responsible practices. Edwards Deming's quote reminds us of the importance of data in decision-making. It underscores the value of collecting and organizing data effectively. As we conclude, consider practicing your data collection skills. Exploring advanced techniques will further enhance your understanding of data organization. To further your learning, consider exploring books and online courses on data science. These resources will provide deeper insights and practical knowledge. In conclusion, effective data collection and organization are foundational skills in data science. Mastering these will enhance your analytical capabilities. Thank you for joining this lesson on data collection and organization. We hope you apply these concepts in your data science journey.